Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So we have promised in our letter earlier given that by end of this month we'll give our suggestion to the Chief Minister. Basically, idea of our consultation and requesting government to keep the implementation for the later stage. Main reason is to have the clear role structure, the roles each individual which will be given in the board. Our idea is that there should be not be one more government body like GTDC or SLMPC or Goa Tourism. They are doing their jobs. Like Goa Tourism Department does their job of giving licenses and policy decision. GTDC handles their government properties and they are coming with also implementing the what you call the infrastructure project. So what different this Goa Tourism Board will do besides that? So it is the main thing is a policy making decision which will be implemented by the department. So those roles has to be very clear. So I think we will give some concrete suggestions to the government, because it's just we don't want to oppose for sake of opposing. We want to give concrete suggestions which are workable and which will be good for Goa state as a whole. So let's be very frank enough that tourism is the main industry in Goa.